Alright class, in this video we will be reviewing what we've learned. Like for example, the circle of fifths is a chart that shows the majors and minors of a key signature and also shows how many sharps and flats that are in them. It also helps throughout your music classes, and it will also show how to do your key signatures for your chords. You will need to know that throughout all your classes for music. Then we also went over how in chord writing you need to know your key signature first, so you know what you're going to need, and also how to write it, which you would have to write your first note, which would be the F, then the A and C first. Then that would be your chord, the F-A-C. Alright. Then we also learned how to invert the key signature of F, which the F on the first inversion would be at the top of the chord, so it would be A, C, and then F. For any of the other inversions for that chord, like the 5, it would be the first two notes of your chord, and then the last one, which would be the root, would be at the top. Finally, we have your major, minor, diminished, and augmented chords that we just went over, and that will be the root of the chord, and the third and fifth for the major will stay the same. And then for minor, the root will stay, the third will be raised, and then the fifth will be the same. But for diminished, you have your root, which is the same, the flatted third, and a flatted fifth. That would be your diminished. Then finally for augmented, you have your F-A, which stays the same, and you just raise your fifth to a sharp. Therefore, you have your major, minor, diminished, and augmented chords. I hope you enjoyed our lessons and that you do your worksheets and quizzes on Edmodo, and I will see you next time in class.